Emily's babysitting mishap. Disclaimer, no children were hurt or put in any danger during the production of this video. So hey, I'm Emily and I'm babysitting this baby. She's very cute, and I was having a lot of fun until all of a sudden I got hungry. And I thought to myself, hey, there's some leftovers in the fridge. So I set the baby down and I got my leftovers and put them in the microwave with the fork and all, so it'll be nice and warm. I closed the microwave and I put 2 minutes in. And so I go to the couch to sit down for a little bit and be on my phone. The microwave. Oh gosh. And I left the baby alone. You know, like a genius. Oh darn, this was such a bad idea. Toss the baby down, I'll catch her. Emily is in a pickle. The firefighter is asking her to toss the baby to him. She doesn't know the angle she needs to throw the baby, so she'll land safely in the firefighter's arms 12 feet away. If the window is 6 feet high, what angle does Emily need to throw the baby at? Here we have a picture showing the height of the window and how far the firefighter is. When putting this into a problem, we get this triangle. We don't necessarily need this part, but we can start off the problem by finding the hypotenuse, which is C, by using the Pythagorean theorem, which is A2 plus B2 equals C2. When putting in the numbers that we got from the word problem, we get 6 to the second power plus 12 to the second power equals C2, which is 36 plus 144 equals C2. Adding those two, we get 180 equals C2. And so we square both sides and we get 13.4 feet. Next, what we're going to do is find angle A, which is the thing that we need to figure out what angle to throw the baby at. To do this, first we need to label our opposite, our adjacent side, and our hypotenuse side. As you can see, the opposite side is 12 feet, the adjacent is 6 feet, and the hypotenuse is 13.4 feet. To find angle A, we're going to use TOA, which is opposite over adjacent, which is going to be 12 feet over 6 feet. We subtract tangent on both sides. It cancels out on the left side, but we do use it on the right side. After that, we set it up in our calculator as tangent to the power of -1, parentheses, 12 feet over 6 feet. After that, we round it up to get 63.4 degrees, which is the angle that we need to throw the baby at so the fireman can catch her safely. We may not need this portion, but we're going to find angle B, the same way that we found angle A, using tangent. This time around, 6 feet is going to be our opposite and 12 feet is going to be our adjacent. 13.4 feet is still our hypotenuse. And then when we set it up, we get tangent of x equals 6 feet over 12 feet. We then proceed to subtract tangent on both sides. It cancels out on the left side, and for the right side, we input that information into our calculator as tangent to the power of -1, parentheses, 6 feet over 12 feet. And that gets us to angle B equaling 26.6 degrees. The baby is waiting for me to toss her at the fireman at a 63.4 degree angle. I think she's very tired of me. I don't think I'm her favorite sister anymore after this. I toss the baby. Whee! And the baby's saved! Yippee! She hates me now. And that's on that, folks. Lesson is, never trust Emily with your children or with microwaves.